Hey dads and moms. My family's transitioning from stroller to wagon, and while shopping around, we didn't want to sacrifice the functionality of the stroller because we have a new addition to our family. So we needed the ability to hold a car seat. We came across this wagon made by Baby Trend. It's the Expedition 2-in-1 stroller wagon. It is budget friendly, costing only $220 on Amazon. We got ours on sale for $170. It is an affordable little wagon simply because it is spacious and compact enough to fit in your trunk. Assembly was pretty simple, minimal instructions required. As you can see, everything was pretty straightforward. This stroller comes with a car seat adapter for your little one. It comes with a detachable snack tray. It also comes with a canopy. When unzipped, it covers the entirety of the wagon. This feature comes in handy because we don't have to worry about mosquitoes biting our little ones. Aside from the rear handle, this wagon comes equipped with a pull handle, if you'd rather pull than push. We purchased an optional ride-on platform that's an additional $35, in case my toddler wants the freedom to ride standing. I highly recommend this stroller for your growing family, as it is a great way to keep your little one safe, happy, and comfortable. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And if you want to further support the channel, check out my Patreon in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.